How to add multiple photos and videos to your Snapchat story. This tutorial shows you how to post more than one piece of content to your story at once. First, open Snapchat and tap the gallery icon at the bottom left of the camera screen. After that, your camera roll will open, showing all the photos and videos saved on your device. From there, tap on the first photo or video you want to add to your story. Right here, continue tapping on the other photos and videos you want to include. You'll notice a number appearing on each selected item, showing the exact order they'll appear on your story. Next up, take your time selecting everything you want. You can mix photos and videos together in the same story post. Moving on, once you're happy with your selection, tap the next button to proceed to the editing screen. From here, you can add text, stickers, filters, or other effects to your content before posting. Go through each snap and customize it however you like. After that, once you're done editing, tap through to the sharing screen. Following this, tap on My Story to confirm where you want to post. Finally, tap Send, and all your selected photos and videos will be uploaded to your Snapchat story at once. Your friends will be able to view them all back to back. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.